In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background image in Outlook email. We'll walk through this using the Outlook web experience so you can update your look in just a few clicks. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook, then click the official Outlook website in the results. This takes you to your mailbox in the web version of Outlook. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that, then continue once you see your inbox. At the top right of the Outlook window, click the gear icon to open Settings. A panel will slide in on the right. From here, select General to access the broader settings categories. Next, choose Appearance. This is where Outlook groups all the visual customization options so you can control how the app looks and feels. Inside Appearance, look for the section labeled Modern Themes. This area lets you apply a fresh, cohesive look across your mailbox. Within Modern Themes, you'll see a section for Image. This is the place where you can set or change the background image that appears behind your mailbox content. It's designed to add personality without getting in the way of readability. Now, choose your image background. You can pick from the available theme images shown there. If you see an option to use your own photo, make sure it's high resolution and not too busy, so your messages and menus stay easy to read. Subtle textures or soft gradients work particularly well. Keep in mind that very bright or high contrast images can make text harder to see, especially in smaller windows. Once you've selected the image you like, click Save. Your changes apply right away, and you'll see the new background across your Outlook web experience. If the change doesn't appear immediately, give the page a second to update or refresh your browser tab. A few quick tips as you fine-tune your look. If you use dark mode, preview how your background feels in both light and dark themes to ensure everything stays legible. If you work on multiple monitors or a large screen, choose an image with enough resolution so it doesn't look stretched. And if you ever want to switch back or try something new, just return to the gear icon, go to General, then Appearance, and adjust your Modern Themes image again. That's it. Simple and effective. You've updated your Outlook background image and given your inbox a cleaner, more personal style. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed Outlook experience.